all revved up, no place to go. Which is a shame. Look at the weather, snow on the hills. I'm going to show you how to make some hand guards. Hand guards go on like that. Cheap way to make some hand guards. You zip tie them on. Keep your hands nice and warm. Don't worry what they look like, they just keep your hands warm. Soon take them off. So they go on like that. Zip tie them on. Cozy hands. And yeah, winter rides. It's a shame we can't get out on it. But stupid Welsh government locking us down again for too long. Doesn't fucking work. When are they going to realise it? But be like Brexit, wasn't it? They took 4.5 years to get rid of Brexit, so COVID looks like it's going to be the same. And us people are just lying down taking it. To make some hand wind protection, rain protection hand guards to go on your existing bark busters or whatever you run, Acrobus, piece of rubber or vinyl, 26 inches long by 20 inches wide. Right, so you cut in half 13 inches. So you cut in half like this, look. I'll put the thing down now. So you just cut the 26 inches in half, 13 inches aside, 13 inches, 13 inches. Right, that's 20 inches long. So now basically fold them in half. So you got your basic hand protections there. Basically what you got to do is glue along this line and stitch it or whatever you want to do. So that's glued together like that. So imagine that's glued along there, look. So this is what you'll end up with. You'll end up with that opening like that. So your hand guards go in there. Glue is pretty hot. Don't worry about going around the edges too much because you can always cut it off. If you've gone a little bit off square, just cut it off neat with the scissors after. I'll show you now in a minute. Sure it's gone off though. But that's better now. It's been cleaned first. It's sticking. Vinyl is better, or leather. Rubber isn't that brilliant, but I'm just showing you how to make it. This is out of rubber. So it's just trimming the edge up tidy. Made a right mess of this one. Look how far I've gone out, but don't worry, it'll be redeemed in a minute. So just cut that little bit of rubber off. So this is what you should end up with. This is what you'll have. So your hand will go in there. And you're going to make some holes to clamp it on the bars next. Hand guards on. This is what they're supposed to look like.